Good morning, happy Saturday, everybody. Well, I am here today to share with you all how I made this amazing, fluffy, delicious pancakes. I'm also going to be listing all the ingredients under the description. Make sure you go ahead and check it out later on. So let's get to work. So I got here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and if you can also double the amount or reduce the amount. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can also double the amount if you want it to be more sweeter, or reduce again. So 2 tablespoons are enough for me. It's not that sweet because we're gonna be adding some syrups. If you're also new to our channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing and hit the like button and also the notification button. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified and you won't miss it. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I know it seems a lot, but it's perfect amount. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then also I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of salt. You can also leave it if you don't want to salt, it's optional. Now let's go ahead and combine all our dry ingredients. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple teaspoons of olive oil. You can also add some melted butter, or you can add vegetable oil. Now let's add some vanilla extract for the smell. I also got here some cold milk. We're gonna be adding 3 cups of milk. Okay, 2 cups of flour, 3 cups of milk. I'll be adding it slowly. Just mix. I usually buy Eggless pancake from the stores, and I've noticed the texture is like a rubbery. It's weird. That's why I decided to make everything at home. I'm kind of avoiding buying ready product from the store because it's all processed and added like so much chemicals. I'm trying to avoid all of it. Now let's go ahead and turn our stove into medium-low heat. And we're gonna go ahead and start baking these goodies. If you're also vegan, you can substitute the whole milk into almond milk, soy milk, whatever milk that you prefer. So this is the first pancake, and look how thick and beautiful it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and bake all. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, I can't believe how gorgeous these pancakes looks. Now let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. You can literally cannot tell the difference if this is a homemade or store-bought. If anything, this is better. Like, it tastes amazing. You can feel the natural. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter and add some of our pancake syrup, and let's go ahead and try it. I hope you guys liked this video. I'll see you guys next time.